Ever wondered how your phone stitches photos into a seamless panorama? It starts with finding unique points in each image, features, using SIFT or B newer deep descriptors, but finding features is only half the story. I need to match them. Two popular ways do that. First, the brute force matcher. It compares every descriptor in image A to every descriptor in image B, Euclidean for float descriptors, Hamming for binary ones. It's simple and accurate, but it scales badly. Big datasets? It gets slow fast. Second, FLANN. Fast library for approximate nearest neighbors. It builds smart indexes like KD trees hierarchical structures to jump to likely matches. It's much faster at scale. The trade-off? It's approximate, often the right call for real-time systems. Here's the catch. Not every match is correct. Some are outliers. That's where RANSAC, random sample consensus, comes in. RANSAC picks a tiny random subset of matches, estimates a transformation, often a homography for planar scenes, checks how many other matches agree with that model, repeats this many times, hunts for consensus, keeps the model with the most inliers. Boom. Bad matches filtered, only geometrically consistent correspondences survive. The result? Robustness to noise, motion blur, and mismatches. Put them together, feature matching plus RANSAC, and suddenly a lot becomes possible. Image stitching for panoramas, visual slam for robots and AR headsets, augmented reality pose estimation, object recognition across messy scenes. Take panoramas. Estimate a homography between overlapping shots, warp one image into the other's plane, blend seams so exposure and edges look natural. So remember the pipeline. Feature descriptors, matching RANSAC filtering, geometric transformation real-world application.